In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Google Analytics code on a website. This will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To start off, you're going to want to open up Google. I recommend doing this on a desktop or laptop for ease of navigation. Once you've opened Google, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. You'll notice the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with the Google Analytics account for the website you are interested in. Enter your password to gain access. With your Google account ready, look at the top right again and you'll see a grid icon which represents the Google Apps menu. Give that a click. This menu is a central hub for all Google applications, making it easy to navigate from one Google service to another without leaving your current window. Once the menu is displayed, you might see a Next button. If prompted, click Next to continue. This could simply be the system asking for confirmation or navigating through intermediary steps. Again, click on the Google Apps menu if necessary, and this time scroll until you locate Google Analytics. Click on it. If you don't see it in the initial view, it might be hidden under the More section, so don't hesitate to dig a little deeper within this menu. Once you've opened Google Analytics, turn your attention to the search bar at the top of the Analytics dashboard. This search function is a powerful tool to quickly locate specific information within Analytics. You'll want to type and search for tracking code. This is the key portion of the interface where we'll find the necessary details. After you've entered tracking code, the interface will guide you to an area where you'll find what's known as the measurement ID. The measurement ID is uniquely linked to your Google Analytics account and is quintessential for tracking and analyzing your web data accurately. When you find this measurement ID, you'll need to copy it. This code is what you'll provide or embed in your website's HTML to connect it with Google Analytics. And that's it. You now have the Google Analytics tracking code necessary to analyze and monitor your website's traffic effectively. This process is vital for understanding user behavior, which can guide your strategies and improve your website over time. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this guide both informative and easy to replicate. Happy analyzing!